Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and I wanted to provide an update. I posted several videos, drone buyer's advice videos, but I want to post a new one that's current as of February 2018. Now, to give you a quick history, if you haven't watched all my other videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch them. But I started with DJI Phantom 1, had Phantom 1, Phantom 2, Phantom 2 Vision Plus, Phantom 3 Pro, Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, Mavic Pro, Spark, and now the Mavic Air. And what I want to do is provide you with my opinions as to which drone to buy as of February 2018. Now check out epicdroneshow.com. That's right, epicdroneshow.com. You can find all the drones, the different colors of drones, the different drone bundles, just a plethora of drone accessories, drone tutorials, and a whole lot more. Just go to epicdroneshow.com. But as of February 2018, and prior to February 2018, Phantom 4 and Phantom 3 Pro were still my favorite two drones. Phantom 4 had a slight edge just due to the fact that the build quality of Phantom 4 seemed to be a little bit better than Phantom 3 Pro. But when I looked at the 4K 30 video, and again, I film everything in 4K Ultra HD on my channel now. When I looked at the 4K 30 video, quality and stability comparison between Phantom 3 Pro and Phantom 4, it was pretty much impossible to distinguish between the two. Now the build quality of the Phantom 4 was greatly superior to the Phantom 3 Pro in my opinion. Mavic Pro came out. A lot of people love Mavic Pro. I wanted to love the Mavic Pro because it was smaller, it was more lightweight, it was more portable. It was less convenient, it was more convenient rather, to travel with a Mavic Pro than a Phantom 3 Pro or a Phantom 4. With that said, the Mavic Pro brought something that was problematic, at least for me. It had a tap to focus requirement. So basically with the Mavic Pro, within the app before you flew, you had to tap to ensure quality focus. Now the problem is that even though a lot of the times I would forget to tap, and that would render the video that I recorded pretty much unwatchable. It was out of focus. Sometimes I would tap and it would work perfectly well. The video would look great. Sometimes I would tap and the focus would be lackluster. So it was a crapshoot. Am I going to get well-focused, high-quality video from the Mavic Pro rather? And I never could. It was inconsistent. So with that being the case, even though the Mavic Pro was smaller and more lightweight, easier to travel with, I reverted back to the Phantom 4. Now when the Mavic Air came out, my opinion changed. The Mavic Air, although it does not have, like the Mavic Pro or the Phantom 4, it doesn't use what's called OcuSync. It uses something called enhanced Wi-Fi, and that concerned me. Because Wi-Fi is a step backwards. When you think of Wi-Fi, you think of a Phantom 2 Vision Plus, which was a good drone, but after going from Wi-Fi to OcuSync, I never wanted to go back. OcuSync was just a consistently rock-solid FPV and control experience, and I experienced very few glitches with it. Now, obviously, the Phantom 2 Vision Plus, being Wi-Fi, I encountered quite a bit of issues due to Wi-Fi. Fortunately, with the Mavic Air, even though it's Wi-Fi, I have not yet encountered any issues with FPV view or the controls. So this drone, it'll do 4K 30, but it records at 100 megabits per second. And again, I'm still field testing this more thoroughly, but right now I'm under the impression that the 4K 30 video from this is as good, if not better, than Phantom 4. Now again, I don't want to make the claim that it's better than Phantom 4 because I need to film more with it, more environments, and just get a better overall feel. Is it better than Phantom 4? But what I can confidently say is that the video quality is at least on par with Phantom 4. Therefore, I have abandoned using my Phantom 4 because this is smaller, more lightweight, super convenient to travel with. I mean, it goes in a little bitty case. I mean, this is tiny. So to be able to get something so capable, so small, so lightweight, it's kind of like a cell phone that was in a bag. If those were still available, would you buy a cell phone that was in a bag where you had to lug around a bag and batteries and a handset? Or would you just get something like a smartphone that's an all-in-one unit that's super easy and super convenient to travel with? You know, throw it in your pocket. You know, the same is applicable for drones. So, you know, the Mavic Air, if I was buying a drone in February 2018, it would be Mavic Air again without hesitation. So, you know, if you're on the fence, and again, this is depending upon your individual needs. You may not care about the video. If you don't care about the video, then that tap to focus thing that Mavic Pro has may not be an issue. You know, you may opt for Mavic Pro over Mavic Air simply due to the fact that it has OcuSync, it has you know, better battery life. In real world scenarios, using the Mavic Air so far, I've experienced about 16 minutes of battery life, maybe plus 2 or 3 minutes. So, I mean, it's good battery life. If you think about most YouTube videos being probably around 5 minutes in duration, a solid 16 minutes is more than ample time to record video and re-record if you make a mistake. So, you know, and the extra batteries, the batteries for this thing, and I've got 3 of them at the time of posting this. I'm going to pick up some more. But the batteries of this for this Mavic Air are just, look how small they are. Small, lightweight, super convenient to travel with. I mean, look at that. I mean, super small, super lightweight. So it's just really hard for me to recommend anything other than the Mavic Air today. I mean, the Phantom, great drone, arguably the drone that made DJI famous. But when you look at portability, you know, that's travel size, travel weight, just overall convenience, it's hard to not go with the Mavic Air. And also the, you know, the fact, again, this does not require tap to focus. The Mavic Pro does. This does not require tap to focus, meaning that when I go airborne and when I hit record, I can expect to get consistently excellent 4K 30 video. So that's a huge sell for me. So again, it's a matter of your personal needs and wants. You know, you may be fine with a Spark. You don't care about super long battery life. You don't care about 4K video. You want something well made, something fun, then the Spark may be right for you. You don't care about size and weight. You know, maybe you go with the Phantom. Or you don't care about tap to focus. You know, that's not an issue. Maybe you want to go with the Mavic Pro because of the better battery life and OcuSync, you know, which is superior to the Mavic Air. But again, you've got that tap to focus requirement. So all of these drones come with their quirks. So I hope this video helps. Again, check out epicdroneshow.com. You can find all the drones, all the drone accessories there. Shoot me a message on social media if you're looking for something in particular and you don't see it on epicdroneshow.com. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IRickSky. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRickSky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.